Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Symon's Cookbook is probably one of the most sought-after cookbooks for health-conscious individuals, offering a wide array of delicious and anti-inflammatory recipes that are not only easy to follow but also incredibly satisfying. This cookbook is a game-changer for anyone looking to improve their diet and well-being through flavorful, healthy meals, making it an invaluable resource for those seeking to manage inflammation and enhance their overall health. Number 5. Anti-Inflammatory Diet for Beginners. Are you ready to take control of your health? This plan provides simple steps to reduce inflammation and boost your immune system. It's a natural response, but chronic inflammation can be harmful. Learn how to identify and manage it through diet. Discover the delicious, anti-inflammatory foods that will nourish your body and help it heal. It's easier than you think. We've created a collection of simple, yet satisfying recipes. They're designed to fit your busy lifestyle. Follow our easy-to-use meal plan. It's a great starting point for incorporating these principles into your daily life. Learn techniques to reduce stress, a major contributor to inflammation. It's a holistic approach to wellness. Experience increased energy, improved digestion, and a stronger immune system. It's an investment in your long-term health. What we like. It features simple and easy-to-follow recipes, perfect for beginners. The no-stress meal plan makes healthy eating manageable. If you're new to anti-inflammatory diets and want a straightforward approach, this is the one for you. What people say. This is the first cookbook that I've purchased that I really love. As of this writing, I've made 18 of these recipes so far that are delicious. And some that I've already repeated. I love the fact that meat recipes are included. It's not just for vegetarians or vegans. Most of the meat recipes are for fish and chicken, with a few for pork tenderloin, 1 ground beef and 1 steak. Also, almost every recipe is gluten-free. And those that are not, have a tip to make them gluten-free. For instance, swapping out regular pasta for gluten-free, or gluten-free toast for whole wheat. Another great feature is that all of these recipes are easy, and except for spices, have only 5 easy-to-find ingredients. The 2-week meal plan, complete with grocery lists and meal prep tips, is honestly why I bought the book. I haven't fully dived into it yet due to the holiday chaos, but so far I've tried a few random recipes, and they've all been fantastic. This book is great for beginners. Has a very informative section in the beginning and then a 2-week menu plan. Each week has a menu, shopping list, and all the recipes. The recipes are very easy to follow and sound delicious. Number 4. Fix It with Food Cookbook. This cookbook explores the powerful link between diet and autoimmune issues. Learn how the right foods can help manage inflammation and improve your well-being. Discover a wide array of tasty and nutritious recipes designed to combat inflammation. Each dish is carefully crafted to support your body's natural healing process. It provides practical strategies for using food as medicine to manage symptoms and improve your overall health. This is a guide to empower you to take control of your health. With over 125 recipes, you'll find something to satisfy every craving and dietary need. It's packed with variety to keep your meals exciting and healthy. This cookbook is more than just recipes, it's a roadmap to a healthier, happier you. It provides the knowledge and tools to make lasting dietary changes. Let's take a closer look at a sample recipe. This dish is both delicious and packed with anti-inflammatory goodness. Simplify your meal planning with our easy-to-follow recipes and helpful tips. It makes healthy eating convenient and enjoyable. What we like. This cookbook offers a wide variety of recipes specifically designed to target autoimmune issues and inflammation. It provides comprehensive solutions for those with specific health concerns. If you're looking for targeted recipes to manage a specific condition, this cookbook is an excellent choice. What people say. Lots of photos, easy to follow, 10-day detox fix, the rest set. Kid-friendly recipes. I have 3 boys and they love the recipes that we've tried so far. Lots of variety. I just finished the 10-day reset in this book, and I am blown away by the flavor and variety of meal options. I didn't feel hungry between meals. I was surprised by how many recipes I tried that have now been added to our regular meal rotation. The meals are very tasty and healthy. Recipes are simple and well described. We've felt confident with ingredients we have avoided in the past. We are having fun planning and cooking together. The meals are filling, which was unexpected. Number 3. Fix it with Food Cookbook. Are you struggling with autoimmune issues or inflammation? This cookbook offers simple, delicious recipes to help you manage your symptoms and feel your best. It's filled with easy-to-follow recipes designed for anyone, regardless of your cooking skills. Each recipe is created to be both delicious and beneficial for your health. Discover a world of flavor without compromising your health. It's a cookbook that proves healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. This cookbook provides nutritional support for those dealing with autoimmune conditions. It's a valuable resource for managing inflammation and improving overall well-being. Say goodbye to mealtime stress. It offers a variety of recipes to make meal planning simple and enjoyable. You'll find something to satisfy every craving. This cookbook is your guide to a healthier, happier you. Start your journey towards better health with delicious, manageable recipes. What we like. It focuses on simple, delicious recipes that are easy to prepare, even for those with limited time. The recipes are designed to be accessible for anyone dealing with autoimmune issues. If you need quick, tasty, and manageable recipes, this is your best bet. What people say. The explanation of inflammation from a lay person is easy to understand and his recipes are easy to follow and pretty good. The anti-inflammatory reset is great. The recipes are geared to 1 to 2 people, the ingredients make sense and won't cost you a fortune at the grocery store. After you're done with the reset, and you can take as long as you want with it, each section reintroduces trigger foods, one at a time. And the recipes seem pretty easy and straightforward to make. Most of the recipes are for 1 serving, which is perfect for me, and recipes can easily be expanded for more servings. I like the way the book is laid out and the recipes organized by the foods you want to eliminate, the foods you want to reintroduce, and then if you have identified food triggers, recipes to avoid those foods. Number 2. Anti-Inflammatory Diet Plan. Are you ready to take control of your health? This plan provides simple, delicious meals to reduce inflammation and boost your well-being. Each week offers a variety of flavorful recipes, making healthy eating easy and enjoyable. It's designed to fit your busy lifestyle. This recipe is packed with anti-inflammatory ingredients like salmon and olive oil. It's quick to prepare and incredibly satisfying. We've created a comprehensive grocery list and meal prep guide to streamline your cooking process. Save time and effort while eating healthy. Discover a wide array of recipes to keep your meals exciting and nutritious. It's more than just a diet, it's a lifestyle change. Each recipe includes detailed nutritional information and portion control guidelines to help you manage your intake effectively. It's all about balance. See how others have successfully used this plan to improve their health and reduce inflammation. Join the community and feel the difference. What we like. This cookbook provides structured weekly meal plans and a wide array of recipes to simplify your anti-inflammatory journey. It makes healthy eating convenient and efficient. If you value organization and efficiency in your meal planning, this is perfect for you. What people say. It came way sooner, Friday 10/9/20. I glanced through it and tossed it on the coffee table. On Saturday, I looked at it again, concentrating on week 1. Okay. I went shopping for week 1 today, 10/11/20. I spent about $80 to $85, only because I was out of a lot of the spices, apple cider vinegar, olive oil, etc. I had already looked ahead into the book, and you will be using these same condiments and others throughout, so I didn't mind the initial expense. Anyway, I began the process following the step-by-step instructions, which are fabulous. I have already decided I need some sort of food processor for chopping. Doing the chopping of everything was the most time-consuming. I bought a small jar of minced garlic, game changer, as well. So, I made the overnight oats with cinnamon, berries, and soy milk. I used almond milk, tempeh taco salad, I used ground turkey, and the lemony split pea soup. I placed each recipe into 5 containers. I had purchased 21 3-compartment containers with lids and used these for all 3 recipes. All of the recipes fit perfect into the 5 containers. I had a bit of the split pea soup that fit into a 6th container. I ate that for lunch today. It is delicious. Everything else made 5 nice servings. I had also purchased a cantaloupe for the snack. My husband helped me divide it all up. I was very happy looking into my garage fridge at 15 prepared meals. This took me about 2 hours to complete from start to finish. When I have a food processor, this will cut down the time even more. Like any other books on dieting, the Anti-Inflammatory Diet Meal Prep is full of recipes that you can easily follow, easy to read, but in the same time this book is different. It's a guide that will help you to understand which food are and which food are not inflammatory. I really like it, because of the updated information and research. It's a really helpful guide that will help you build habits and skills so you can heal your body and sustain your health. If you're looking for a book that will put you on autopilot so you can do something other than slave away in the kitchen, I would recommend this one. The recipes are a little ingredient heavy, but the shopping lists are laid out so well that I didn't find this to be much of a deterrent. I also like how the index is laid out both by recipe and by ingredient, making it very convenient to look things up. Each recipe is tagged as vegan and/or dairy, gluten, nightshade, nut, or soy-free, and includes nutritional info per serving. Number 1. Meals That Heal Cookbook. Are you ready to take control of your health and well-being? This cookbook provides simple, delicious recipes to help you fight inflammation and feel your best. Discover the power of anti-inflammatory ingredients. It's easier than you think to incorporate them into your daily meals for lasting benefits. With over 100 recipes, there's something for everyone. Find quick and easy meals that fit your busy lifestyle. Short on time? No problem. Each recipe is designed to be prepared in 30 minutes or less. These recipes are incredibly easy to follow, even for beginner cooks. Get ready to enjoy flavorful and healthy meals. These recipes are perfect for the whole family. Everyone will love the delicious and healthy meals you create. It's time to transform your diet and improve your health. This cookbook is your guide to delicious, anti-inflammatory eating. What we like. It's packed with quick and easy recipes, perfect for busy lifestyles. It makes healthy, anti-inflammatory eating achievable even on busy weeknights. If you need fast, delicious, and anti-inflammatory meals, this is the cookbook for you. What people say. The introduction is written so clearly and explains all about food and inflammation in the body. I love the way the book is laid out so clearly with beautiful photographs all throughout. There are so many delicious-looking recipes. The recipes I've tried have been tasty and relatively easy, and made with common and easy-to-find ingredients. Not only the recipes in this book are easy with everyday ingredients, and look absolutely delicious, the author provides education on inflammation and how to keep it away through diets. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.